Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You could probably tell we're in a little different atmosphere today. We're actually in my car. And that's because I want to take you guys along with me as I go get a lash lift and tint. I figured I would take you along and show you the process of how it's done. It's pretty cost effective, pretty quick. It only takes about 45 minutes for the procedure to be done. I absolutely love getting lash lift and tints. This is a great option for those of you that don't want to ruin your natural lashes by things like lash extensions. If you're like me and have light lashes and they're pretty straight, this is a great option for you. So come along with me as we go get this lash lift and tint today. Hey guys, sorry for the bad angle, but we are here with Joyce and we're about to get the lash lift and tint done, so I'll show you guys the process. To get started, we just cleaned around the eye area and made sure the lashes were free of any makeup and oil, and then applied these pads to protect my lower lashes. Now she's applying a silicone mold or roller onto the eyelid using a non-toxic glue. I know what you're probably thinking. It looks like I already have fairly dark lashes, but I just had a tint done 7 weeks ago. And these are typically done about every 8 weeks. With the silicone mold on the eyelid, she then curls the lashes using the glue over the mold, which is curved upward and outward to create a curl. Now on to the other eye, just getting all the lashes separated before placing the roller on. I don't think I got any footage of the next step, but after every lash is applied onto the mold and they're all separated so you get a nice curl, you would apply a perm solution. And the perm solution is just a chemical solution that sits on the root of the eyelashes, depending on the client, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. The perm solution softens the hair to make it more vulnerable. After the perm solution has sat and been wiped off, what you see her doing here is putting on the setting solution, and that rehardens the hair so the shape is set in place. And now I'm processing with this beautiful towel over my face. And once again, the processing time will vary depending on the client and how thick the lashes are. Lash lifts are often paired with lash tints for extra oomph, which I definitely want and need. So that's what I have on here, is the tint. And you have to avoid getting your permed lashes wet for the first 24 hours. It's important to stay away from hot showers and steam too. You just don't want to be too rough on your lashes or they'll lose shape quickly. And we're almost done, just removing the roller and the pads and getting my eye area all cleaned up. And now she's just flushing out my eyes to get them all nice and cleaned out in case anything got into them. Okay, I just got out of my appointment, and as you can tell, my eyes and face are a little red and swollen right now, but that goes away within an hour or so. If you're interested in getting your own lash lifter tint, make sure you find someone that you trust and that's reputable in your area, and do your own research. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for rolling with the Olsons.